watching. So in order for you to access ChatGPT, right, in a country which is blocked from using ChatGPT, I don't know if it is restrictive, if it is illegal, but well, we have no choice. Why do you block us? So first of all, you can either use any VPN of your choice, but I'm using Psiphon because this one is for free. So I've downloaded the Psiphon Pro from Google, which I'm using. Or for those who are using computers, right, you can check on this website called siphon.ca, right? Okay. After that, you have to run um, your Siphon. Maybe in your phone, you just have to click on it. Yes, and you have to choose any of the server, or you can do a research, or you can just use the one which I'm using. I'll be using France because I've seen many times that France isn't blocked from using ChatGPT. So I'm looking it from this section. Even United Kingdom and UK was working for me, but sometimes it fails me. So you have to click on it and click start. Yes, you need to have internet access. This is not this is not getting free internet, right? This is some for people who need to put in internet access. You cannot just get everything for free. Yeah. So about getting about using the account, right? So since for example, ChatGPT is blocked in Zimbabwe, for you to be able to use it the way I use it, right? I asked a fellow friend from America. You can ask a fellow friend from any country. Then you ask that person for a phone number. Let's say the person is not even aware or even using ChatGPT. Maybe there are some people who do not even like using these tech things. So you can just ask him, okay, dude, bro, lady, can I please help me out? I need your number. Your number, I'll use it on this and that. You're not going to be hacked or whatever. Yeah, this is legal. So the person might help you and you get your number. After getting your number, then you're going to go. Let's do this. I'm not doing a tutorial on how to register. I'm doing a tutorial on how you can access the chat GPT using a VPN. So here what you need to do. Okay, my phone is now being slow. On here you have to write open chat.openai.com, then you click on it. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, it will direct us to the website. As you can see, we are now on the website, but it's checking up if there is something wrong, if something suspicious. If it doesn't work like this, right, you have to just stop your VPN and start it again. Maybe you can do it once or two times. Sometimes it just work like once at first time. Okay, notification. So now it's trying to verify if you are a robot or a human. You just wait for this one. I'm sorry if this video is taking long for you, but if all you need, you just need a VPN application. You can choose any of your choice, but I've chose Psiphon and I've been using Psiphon for some time. If I've been hacked, I don't know. Maybe I have been, but I think it's fair and fine. So let's just wait for it. I would be able to just pause it, but it might it might happen to have errors. So I need you to just witness it. So you have to click where it says verify you are human. Yes, I am a human. This is 1 p.m. and I did not go to church. God forgive me. Okay. Well, I just feel late today. I'm so down today. Okay, now we are on ChatGPT and okay. What can I ask? It's hard. Okay, just wanted to show you that you can access ChatGPT. Alright. So okay, what can I ask? Okay, let me just ask what I'm really feeling right now. You can just use ChatGPT for any other helpful reasons, but let me just tell you ChatGPT how I'm feeling. Okay? Whatever, you can just treat it a robot or a human, whatever you do. Okay? I'm feeling low today. Let me say lazy, and in my bed right now, and I just want to feel better. And I don't have money to spend to get help. So don't mention it. So don't mention it. Okay, now I'm just going to do it. On the other hand, I don't feel good about. Sorry, if I type so slow. Myself. I just want to be a better person in life and a non-lazy person, but active and making things okay, the same way I would just talk to a person. I'm just trying to feed in this to this robot, making things happen. So please help me. And 24, and lost in life. I just don't know. I am lost in life. I'm totally confused. Totally confused. Help. 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 Okay, so now I'm safe. Okay, don't laugh at me, guys. This is real pace. This is me pace now. I'm sorry to hear that you are feeling low today. It's understandable to feel lost and confused at times, especially when you're struggling with. Okay, this thing is so fast. So I'm going to read it later on. Yeah, okay, let me just continue playing it so that you guys can witness it as it goes. So that maybe it might be something we are facing or not, or maybe you know someone. Okay, just take some screenshot. Maybe. Let's and whatever. Ah, okay. There's the response which now it called my title. Lazy and lost help. Ah, come on, seriously. So guys, this is how you use ChatGPT. Whatever, yeah. In Zimbabwe, this is how you use ChatGPT. Not how to use. Come on, I'm kind of lost. Help me out here. Ah. Alright. Thank you for watching the video. This is how you'll be able to access ChatGPT using Psiphon or a VPN connection. As you can see, I've been using ChatGPT for some time now. As you can see, I've been sending some prompt and it has been giving me and my friends who are using this. So I shared with my friends. I'm not that selfish, so I shared with my friends, and they are responsible. They won't mess up my things. I just trust them. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you are someone trustworthy or someone who never change stuff or delete some conversation, because why am I not clearing this conversation? Because I know one of my friends might have been searching or facing the same thing, and there are no shifts. He will just maybe like something. As my friend have been looking for some logic, he gets over whatever. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day. Bye for now. This is Mbonisi Mtunzi speaking, live and available in Masvingo, Zimbabwe. Bye, ladies and gentlemen, adults, kids, whoever is watching. Peace. Okay, come on.